The local news. President Isaias Afwerki today received and held talks at Dendon Hall with Ambassador Hamdi Sanda Loza, Special Envoy of Egypt's acting president, Mr. Adili Mansour, and Vice Foreign Minister of the country. In the course of the meeting, President Isaias expressed the Eritrean government's conviction that Egyptian people would overcome the current challenges and that the country would not only achieve internal stability and prosperity, but also play a due role in promoting the stability of the Horn region as well as the Red Sea and the Nile littoral states. Ambassador Hamdi Sanda Loza briefed President Isaias on the steps taken by the government and people of Egypt during the transition period, in addition to the ongoing referendum process, ratification of a constitution, and the elections to be conducted on the base of it. He also gave detailed explanation to the president pertaining to the journey of the Egyptian people and its institutions, leading to a stage of peace and stability in line with the charted roadmap. The Education Ministry's branch in Baghdad subzone indicates participation of children in junior and elementary school education has witnessed a 10% growth as opposed to that of the previous year's results. Mr. Daniel Solomon, head of the branch office, said more endeavors should be exerted with a view to achieving similar outcome in connection with high school education, besides doing away with childhood marriage. Accordingly, the launching of evening classes that has made more impact in adult education, and that 33 women who pursued their education this way could sit for the matriculation examination last year, while 25 others, along with 2 males, are expected to take part in the forthcoming examination. Eritrean community members in Las Vegas, USA expressed readiness to mount resolve against external conspiracies and step up participation in national development endeavors on the basis of raising community awareness. They made a pledge at a meeting. During the event, Dr. Gideon Abai gave detailed briefings on the background of the Eritrean people's armed struggle for independence vis-à-vis the current popular resolve. The Eritrean scholar said popular steadfastness constitutes the major factor in connection with Eritrea's independence and safeguarding its sovereignty. He said such virtues still being demonstrated and the endeavors being made to ensure economic emancipation. Dr. Gideon said anti-Eritrea agendas target sapping the nation-building process through weakening societal harmony, and that the nation has, to the contrary, stepped on a stable political, economic and social ground. The participants of the meeting expressed appreciation for the development accomplished being registered in the homeland and said they would enhance role in state affairs. There are 30 schools ranging from kindergarten to high school level in Baghdad subzone, in addition to 11 educational facilities that target children who couldn't attend school at the right age and some 23 adult education stations. The inhabitants of Gilas administrative area, Haga subzone, are engaged in the renovation of dirt road on the basis of joint popular initiative. They further said the road has been causing problems in transportation and thus negatively affecting the community's activities, and that the process seeks conclusion before the onset of the rainy season. Among the inhabitants, Mr. Dawit Musa, Ms. Jim'a Musa, Mr. Jermas Musa and Mr. Gabra Hailab said the campaign is a continuation of previous communal soil and water conservation activities, and that they would put up sustained efforts towards the conclusion of the task. They further expressed conviction that renovation of the road would promote traffic safety and ease vehicle transportation. Mr. Asgadom Temenuo, administrator of Gilas administrative area, said a distance of 3 kilometers has already been renovated so far, and that the process would gain momentum until it covers the distance up to Ashara area. And I'll be back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. Bomb attacks hit the Iraqi capital Baghdad and a village near the northern town of Bakuba today, killing at least 52 people. In the deadliest incident, a bomb blew up in a funeral tent where mourners were marking the deaths 2 days ago of a Sunni Muslim pro-government militiamen. Have a dozen car bombs exploded across the Iraqi capital, mostly in Shia districts, killing 34 people and wounding 71. This is according to police and medics. 2 years after U.S. troops left Iraq, violence has returned to its highest level since the Sunni-Shiite bloodshed of 2006 and 2007, when tens of thousands of people were killed. A mosque in the Israeli-occupied West Bank was partly set on fire today, and the West Palestinian residents said was an attack by Jewish settlers living nearby. Residents of the village said they saw the fire and then eerily dawn prayers. The town mayor said it was the second time the mosque was targeted. He said the mosque would have been completely burned if worshippers not arrived early. Israeli soldiers entered Eri-TV after the attack, and an Israeli police spokesman said a search for the suspects was underway. A local broadcaster shows Indonesia's Mount Sabibing continuing to erupt yesterday, displacing more than 25,000 villages. The 2,460 meters volcano remains on the highest alert level, and increasing numbers of people are fleeing their homes to seek refuge in shelters. The government's alert status moved to its highest level after violent eruptions in recent months from the volcano that had lain dormant for 4 centuries. That's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.